Express Travel, every day is a different day. Today, we bring you to the Dubai frame. I'm the media brand ambassador of Speed Express Travel alongside
Nyondo Rozet, Nyondo Media.
Let's get into it. So if you look here, we have the traditional pot where they used to get water back in the days. If you look at the cup, this is exactly what they used back in the days in the 80s. You can look at that pot the way they used to put water right in there. It used to be as cool as chili.
So like ensuwa, yeah, it's like in naffe Uganda bwe twatandika n'ensuwa nga tuuse n'amazzi mu nsuwa nga tugatereka, so ne Dubai bwe batyo bwe batandika. So ayagala yenna okumanya ebintu byabwe batandika batya obulamu nga tebannafuna AC, tebannaba na fridge, ng'ensi yaabwe ekyali edda. Osobola obisanga wano mu Dubai Frame, okumanya ebikwata ku Dubai oba okujja mu Dubai Frame, osobola okujja ku office zaffe ku Speed Express ne tukulambuza n'ojja n'olaba nabo bali balina engoma. So abasinga obungi beebuuza nti Nyondo nabo balina engoma oba tezaaliwo. So nabo balina ebibbo, like everything nga bwe twabirina ewaffe nabo baabirina, nabo batwe batandika obulamu. Wano bainawo like coffee waabwe bwe bamuterekanga, bwe batyo baterekanga coffee waabwe, waliwo ekiringa ekyoto, tugambe nti sigiri kyoto gamanda waggulu. Ebintu ebikole mu nsansa byonna biri somewhere here. So osobola oyitayo n'ojja n'olambula jangu obooking a ticket.
Alright, fast forward. If you look at this right here, you can see the main cash crop was mainly Arabic coffee. And moving forward, you can see how they used to preserve their heat, how they used to cook back in the days. They use coal, or just call it charcoal as you want to call it. And you can see as well a lot of traditional stuff right up there, how they used to make their bows and stuff. It's all detailed right there. And if you want to get a glimpse of this, you know where to come. Speed Express Travel is the number one solution. Moving forward.
So, bonna abali eyo abagala okujja Dubai okulambula, jangu ku Speed Express ofune ticket yo ojje olambule. Dubai nabo batandika batya obulamu. Ngaffe Uganda bwe tulina museum, ne bana abantu nabo balina museum yaabwe.
Right, sewing machine. How they used to make their clothes, just like that. Kind of like modern way, but it's a bit different. You can see how they used to sew their clothes and all that. And up above, you can see an old man and an Arabi trying to actually get a detailed part of the clothing and all that.
Bwe tudda ku bambazi b'amasharia n'amakanzu bwe bati bwe bagatunga nabo batandika na kyalaani ekyaffe nga bwe tukirina e Uganda. So bo embeera negenda nga ekula oba ensi ekula. So osobola okujja n'oyitayo n'olambula n'olaba nti batunga batya amakanzu, baali batunga batya amasharia. Abasinga obungi ge twegomba ti amasharia amalungi gava Dubai, bwe bati bwe batandika. Jangu olambule biri wano mu Dubai Flame. Yitayo olwaleero.
Moving forward, pan the camera close to me. Okay, a lot of you have been wondering how they used to write back in the days. There was no pen or anything. Come close, I want to show you a close and detailed part of it. You can see right here we have an ink and a feather. I don't know which bird was that, but that's exactly how they used to write in the books back in the days. You can look at that ink right there, the ink pot right there, and the feather. These are the kind of books they used to write in back in the days. Kind of like modern way. But
so ensinga bwegende
yes.
Twatandikira ne bana abantu
bwe batandika
nga bali ku ssaawa eno kwero level n'abana gye batandikira nga naffe twawandikanga n'ekyoyi ekyenkoko nga bateeka mu inki ne bano bakikolako
abasinga obungi beebuuza nti Qur'ani bagiwandiika batya bweti bwe yawandiikibwa. So ekyenjawulo nti Qur'ani yawandiikibwa na inki, kati ate ffe Uganda tulowooza nti abo bali balina ebyuma ebyali bizikuba tezyaliwo.
all right. That's a good one.
So, wagenda kunyumira wabadde tosuubira twagenda kunyumira. Wow. Oli mulambuzi exactly. Ono ye chai. Wow, amataala, ebinika, so everything. Bebafumbanga batya. Tugambe nti kiyungu kyangwe baterekanga oba.
Well, this is like how they used to preserve their tea. If you look into the history of the Arab Emirates, this is what we call the traditional, I don't know if it's the right word to say, but it's like a conjure, where they used to keep their coffee, how to make their gahwa, and so on and so forth. And they use these kind of little kettles to actually make coffee, tea, and other coffee.
Exactly. So a kufulu Love was fun and
that was the way how they used to lock their houses.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, actually.
Their kisses.
Yeah, suitcases actually. They look amazing right there. The padlock, just state of
So
art.
nga bwetulambuzaako n'abantu wiiki jangu balage wali sitima etala sitima gye twalinanga ewaka before nga tulina kufuna masannyalaze yiiri so kikwewuunyisa ne bano bagiina olidde ebintu ebyo
so everything kiri kyewuunyisa
buli bukoko
tusuubira nti bintu bino ffeffekka abaali babiina naye ne bano abantu babiina seriously mu Dubai Flame buli muntu bulijjo twebuuza okiraba building ebweru webuuza ogenda kulambula ki but this place kyewuunyisa ebikirimu si kyetwale tusuubira.
Nice.
Ricky olabye engeri gye batungangamu engoye bali mu kutunga ngoye wano bakulaga engeri gye batungamu engoye zaabwe n'engalo nga tebanafuna byalaani basooka na ngalo neera bakulaze balina wali tape measure balina makansi waliwo neewuzi n'engoye engeri gye basalamu obutambala bwabwe bw'oku mutwe bwe buli this side Dubai Flame kyewuunyisa bw'obeerewo tosobola kusuubira nti ekiri munda kye tulaba right now kyekintu kyekimu ekibadde ebweru.
It's actually amazing. You guys should
this place is very very different.
You should actually visit Dubai Friends.
Tosuubira nti this side waliyo emmere yaabwe. Wow. Like tugambe nti bw'otegeka ekiyungusho wekirina okuba oba store like otegeka store yo ne bano tugambe store y'ekiyungu mulimu minzaani mulimu black pepper ebintu byabwe bingi batereka wano okulaga nti spices ezifumba mulimu n'emmere yaabwe omuceere naye baguterekanga nabo mu bisero.
Alright, so we were going to have to show you a few detailed part of it, but if you want to see the entire full coverage of the Dubai Frame, I recommend you should visit Dubai Friends. And you know where to get your tickets? Speed Express Travel is your #1 solution.
Wow.
Let's get into it.
So bw'oba oli eyo nga bulijjo Dubai Flame ogirabira bweru ng'ogamba naye abalambula ewantu eyo balambula biki by'osubwa bwe bingi. Jangu ku Speed Express Tours and Travel obookinge ticket yo tukuleete ku Dubai Flame olambule weyongere okumanya Dubai. Abasinga tugimanyi bweru ku kkubo naye jangu ogimanye nga olambula mu bifo eby'enjawulo.
I'm going to take you through the entire dimensions and the Dubai plan in 1960. So if you look into the plan right here, you cannot understand them, but I'm going to show you into details how to understand the new Dubai and the old Dubai. So right at Dubai Frame, you're going to have to stand right in between the two. The two are actually plans, the 1990, the 1960 and the 2022, which is the current Dubai. So if you look into this, you can actually understand that you are looking at the plan of Dubai for the 1960. So I'm going to take you up there and you're going to see the difference between the old Dubai and new Dubai. Let's get into it.
Tambule mabega omwana singa kyasoma kirabako bulabi kati Dubai wano wetusingira nti ebyabwe ebitereka omwana najja n'abisangawo n'omuzzukulu najja n'abisangawo. Bino tomanyi engeri gye baserekamu ekiyungu waire bwe tubadde ku department ya kiyungu bwe batyo basereka ne waffe mu byalo bwe tubasereka.
Tambuke wako.
Oh my God, this is Dubai. Nyondo, tubude munseera tugenda munda. You're so scared. Why?
Like falling down.
But stepping out there, olabanga agenda okuyitamu and but yeah, you are the one to step there.
Wait.
No, standing there. Like, stand there. Anyone out there nga oyaga ojja Dubai kulambula nga wali yagadde okulambula ne Speed Express Tours and Travel ekifo ky'otalina kumisinga ye Dubai Flame. Dubai Flame kye kifo ekirimu buli kintu kye wandyegombye okujja okulabako.
They pay you.
But
this glass is thick. Okay, I want to make a commercial here, okay?
You can go ahead, no problem.
I don't want to stand here though. But
You can stand there. Oh.
Right, ready? Right. Right at this point,
No, you remember,
I am standing
like these places,
right underneath me.
I
I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm standing on a transparent glass. I don't even know if I'm safe here, but I'm super safe. Anyways, if you want to get the experience of this, you know where to come. Speed Express Travel is your #1 stop solution for this. So the experience right now, looking at me like I'm flying, literally, if you look at that, I don't know. I'm seeing people like, I don't know. Anyways, let me show you the old Dubai and the new Dubai.
So everyone out there ayali yagadde okujja okulambulako mu Dubai oli mukulu wa somero nga owulira abaana bo wetaaga okubaleeta obalambuze kolagana naffe aba Speed Express Tours and Travel tukuleetere abaana balambule ku kifo ekyenjawulo nga kino wano we tuli olunaku olwaliro bayitawo ku Dubai Flame. Dubai Flame kye kifo ky'ogenda okwewuunya tekirabika seriously naffe tuli so shocked abakizeemu olwaliro wano we tuyimiridde it's a screen woyimirira naye olaba wansi wonna so itayo olunaku olwaliro ku Speed Express ticket wezili banaye guno omwaka nga gugwako we have an offer mwenna abali mu Dubai mujje mukole visa change naffe musobole okubanga mujja ne mulambula mujje muyingire Dubai tumuguleko air ticket tukuyambeko okujja okulambula mu Dubai Flame kyekifo ekitagenda mu buli bantu basinga bungi kwa abasinga bakitya as you can see here abasinga apart from us aba Speed Express tofeka abafirika abali wano abasigadde bonna si bafirika kyekikulaga nti ekifo kino kyankizo ate kyanjawulo. Nyondo.
Let me show you a glimpse of the new Dubai and the old Dubai. Let's get into it. At this point, you are looking at a magnificent, beautiful view. But let me tell you this, you are looking at the old Dubai. At the Dubai frame, you can tell the difference. I'm going to show you close or sneak peek of the old Dubai and the new Dubai. And if you want to see the full detail part of it, you know where to come. Speed Express Travel is your #1 stop solution. So look at that. That's the old Dubai. which was made in 1960, as we've seen on the other plan. So I'm going to take you into details to see how the new Dubai actually looks like. Take a look at this and enjoy the view.
Omulamuzi yenna ayagala okuva mu nsi yonna okujja mu Dubai kulagana naffe aba Speed Express Tours and Travel tukuyambeko okulambuza. Bulijjo mutuwulira buwulize nti tulambuza, tuguliza air ticket, tubeera ne visa, but lwali tusazeewo tubalage Dubai empya ne Dubai enkadde bwefaanana. Olagana naffe olunaku olwaleero.
All right, I'm going to take you to the new Dubai and you're going to have a look at that too. Let's get into it. At this point, we are looking at the new Dubai, ladies and gentlemen. What you're focusing on right now is the Sheikh Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the UAE. And if you look into the details of that, you can see how the new Dubai is actually built. Based on the previous plan we've seen in 1960, and the previous plan I've showed you for the late 1960, you can still see the difference between the new Dubai and the old Dubai. What you're looking at is the new Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Take a moment and enjoy the view. And that has been a great and a sneak peek of the Dubai frame. We did not show you exactly everything. If you want to get your ticket, come at Speed Express Travel and you'll get your ticket and you'll get into it. What do you have to say?
So, mubadde yungamula Dubai Flame nenga temanyi kiki kiri munda naye kamwa koogera mbadde njiraba nga nyitako swiswi naye nga simanyi kiri munda n'olwensonga eyo gwe wenna alabye tulabalazako kitono nga bwagambe just kitono so oba nga oyagala okulaba ekisingawo janku Speed Express was and Travel atobeere ng'okola ki bagamba okutambula kulaba okudda kola ki
kunyumya ate onyumiza abeewammwe Speed Express Travel, dream, explore, discover.